Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab. How are y'all? Did you have a good week? I intended to go live this Friday tonight, but I am not going live because it's just been a really long week. It's been a really long couple of weeks. Just been working way too much, and I really am exhausted. So I apologize for not going live. If you're waiting for that, we'll do that soon, hopefully. Not sure when exactly, but we'll see how things go in the next week or two. And maybe we'll do a live then. So how are y'all? And I think I've been working a lot, getting things organized and stuff, but also this extreme heat is really taking a toll on me. And I'm sure it is on y'all. So stay hydrated, stay in a cool place if you can. And then I'm hearing from my friends up north and my family up north that the Canadian wildfires is terrible. We have a lot of Canadian friends in YouTube land, and I just hate to hear that they're having the wildfires again. I think they did last summer also, unless it was 2 years ago. I don't know if it's something that happens every year, but I know the last year or so, it's been coming down our way, the smoke. So it is difficult to breathe outside, so please be careful. And if you're a praying person, say a prayer for all of us in the U.S. and Canada as well. Like I said, we have a lot of Canadian friends, so it's very sad to hear about the forest fires. Very sad. Let me tell you really quick what I'm wearing. On my eyes, I have this Allure Beauty palette. This one is Trailblazer, and Allure Beauty is I think it's Korean beauty, isn't it? Maybe, well, made in Taiwan, distributed in New York. Okay, so maybe not, but this is a nice magnet closure. Some of their stuff I don't care for, but their eyeshadow palettes are very beautiful. Hey Smudge, this is what I have on. Very beautiful. I love the shimmers, love the shimmers. And their palettes are very pretty. What you got in your eye, lovey? So anyway, here's Smudge. And speaking of cats, let me tell you what's on my lips, then I'll tell you about blue. So I have on this CLE Melting Lip Powder. This I got from Goldie Boxed, and this is in Desert Rose. And this is, I don't know that you can see, but it's a powder. It's a powder, and you can use it. It says that it is melting lip powder, but long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint, it says. So it's a powder, y'all. It comes out, I've shown it to you before, but it comes out like a powder. I don't know that you'll be able to tell. It's on a doe foot, and there's a little bit of poof up from the powder there. And as soon as it touches my skin, it feels moist. It's very weird. It's very cool. It's very cool. But it's a pretty color, and it's a tint. It stays on a while. I have not used it on my cheeks at all, just on my lips. So I really like it. And Blue is, if Blue had been sick, he seems to be much better now. His new food is really helping, and he's doing much better. So thanks for your prayers and thoughts for him. I do appreciate it. And y'all, this has been a busy week for my channel. I had my Stitch Fix came in. What do y'all think of that? Well, I have a little mess on my eye there. And I had my Mask Monday with a winner, and CatLadyBox came out, and beautiful friend mail from Betty Vick. She's a wonderful subscriber. My IPSY extra was late. It was, when I say it was late, I just got it this week, so usually I get it and I'll post it the next day. So I think it posted yesterday. And y'all, it wasn't late. It's just that some of us get it really fast and some of us get it late. Now, sometimes I get it fast. So there's no rhyme or reason to it. But you'll see some channels get it quick and some channels get it later in the month. I don't know how they figure it out. I don't know if they know how they figure it out. So anyway, Smudge. This is Smudge. You want to say hey? You want to say hey? Turn and say hey. So how has your week been? I hope that you all are doing all right in the heat. I know some areas are not hot, but some areas are very hot and humid. So I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. I know with that comes a lot of storms. We have Every day our forecast is, you know, the heat and humidity and possibility of thunderstorms in the afternoon. So that's just how it is here in Alabama. So, and we do, sometimes we have the storms and sometimes we don't. So anyway, you know, just how it is. So let me know how it is by you, what y'all up to, what y'all gonna do this weekend. I am off this weekend, so I'm going to rest. I have a wreck of a house. I have to do some housework and, you know, that kind of stuff, you know. And, you know, because of the extreme heat also, you know, they ask us not to use electricity, but, you know, you got to use electricity, or to use, you know, like run your dishwasher late, you know, like before you go to bed, that kind of thing. So, but I need to do, so I've just been doing like bare minimum of laundry, but it's been going on for weeks. So I have got to do a little extra laundry, you know, like my bedspread, you know, that kind of stuff. So that takes a lot of extra because it takes a long time to tumble in the dryer. It's so humid outside, I can't hang it outside. I would love to hang it outside. I love when sheets and bedding are outside hanging, but it's too humid here. It won't dry. So it has to dry in the dryer, and that takes a good while. So you know how it is. You know how it is if you know the people that you know, we all do housework. So I wanted to tell you that tomorrow is my Christmas in July, not mine, but when I say mine, I mean I'm in it. Christmas in July collaboration. That is Erlene S. thought of it, and she invited us Mass Monday group, that, you know, our little Mass Monday group, to do it. So it is Erlene S. and Christine, Life with Christine, and Tea Time Adventures, and me. So it is, it's a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun with it, and of course we'll do giveaways. So Erlene S., she sent to me, and I sent to Tea Time Adventures. Tea Time Adventures, which is Teresa, sent to Christine, and then Christine sent to Erlene. So we did, that's called a round robin, and we all sent each other Christmas gifts, basically. So we, you know, talked with each other about what our likes and dislikes are. We've known each other for a good while. He's knocking the camera, sorry. So we know a little bit, you know, we know about some things that we all like, but you know, we got to know each other a little bit better, which is nice. So that is a lot of fun. So that starts tomorrow, and it runs for 2 weeks. You know, the usual. So, you know, watch there's 4 channels, and comment on all the videos, be public so that you can be entered into the giveaway, and do what each creator says in their video as to how you enter. And then what's going on right now is the Temu Summer Swap. And they buy from Temu and they swap with each other. So it's partners. So, you know, there's 6 partners in that. And Glitzy Gem, which is Stephanie, she is the host of that collaboration. So that's been fun. I've been watching it. I've been a little busy, but I've watched a few of them, and I hope to watch the rest of it this weekend. So, but that's a fun collaboration. They have a lot of fun. And then we get to see, because they use Temu, we get to see a lot of fun Temu products. So that's always nice. And especially, you know, soon, very soon, we're headed into the holiday season, y'all. So it's nice to see what's out there on Temu, you know, for our shopping and gifting needs, if you will. So I think that's about what I got going on here. So yeah, I think that's about it. So y'all, please, you know, just thank you so much. I don't think I've done that in a while, and I really should do it every time I record. I just want to thank y'all for being here. I want to thank you for your support on my channel. It means the world to me. And I thank my channel members as well. I have a few channel members. I appreciate y'all very much. And if you want to know anything about channel membership, you can just ask me. You don't have to be a channel member. But if you're here watching, if you're someone that likes my channel and you watch regularly, please subscribe. So, and please do that for all the channels that you like, and that you watch. Just hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to get the notifications, you just can unclick that. You'll see the bell. You hit it a couple times, and then you won't get any notifications if that aggravates you. But subscribing to the channels helps our channels. So in case you didn't know that, you know that now, okay? So y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. Tell me what you're up to this weekend. And, you know, maybe let me know if it's getting cool by you. Some areas, some of my friends up north, like Northwest, have some cool air. I'm like, oh, I'm coming to see you. But anyway, y'all, take care, count your blessings, and I'm going to be right here with Smudge. Y'all, bye-bye. Have a great week.